In next 5 minutes I will show you a complete life cycle of a cabbage plant. So let's see how to grow cabbage from seed, how to germinate cabbage seed, and how to care and grow cabbage from seed. Let's begin from day 1 where I start to prepare the seeds for germination. So that's day 1 and you can see a simple seed bed. This seed bed is prepared by mixing 70% of organic soil and 30% of compost. After mixing these two items, I just add a little bit of wood ash. After adding these three items, I want to set up all the cabbage seedlings in this seed bed, and these seeds are already moisturized by water from last 12 hours, and now it's time to plant them on this seed bed. So let's collect them from the water and plant them one by one. Let's set up all the seeds of cabbage in this seed bed. So take one by one and press them very softly on this grow bed and give a little bit of water. Within next 2 or 3 days all the seeds will get germinated and properly sprouted. So let's see what happened after 3 to 4 days, because within next 3 to 4 days all the seeds of cabbage will get germinated and look like as small seedlings. So let's see what happened after 3 days. Okay, all the seeds are start germinating and within next few days they are going to be converted into small seedlings of cabbage. So let's see what happened next. This is day 5 and you can see almost all the seeds are converted into small seedlings of cabbage plant. Within next 7 to 15 days all the seedlings, all these small seedlings will get converted into small size cabbage plant and they will prepare for planting on other area. And in this period of age of the cabbage seedlings we have to keep them on a direct sunlight, because direct sunlight is very important to get them healthier and prepare them to survive in open area or open nature. So let's see when the seedling age is about 10 days. Okay, you can see all the seedlings are already prepared. Now it's time to plant them on anywhere you want. You can grow them on container or you can grow them on open yard or anywhere you want. So that's the process to germinate cabbage seed. Now let's talk about how to grow cabbage as vegetable or how to grow them bigger and bigger. Actually cabbage plant needs a lots of nitrogen because that's a leafy vegetable, and all the leafy vegetable we know need a lots of nitrogen to grow their leaf faster. So you have to provide a little bit of nitrogen type fertilizer. As organic fertilizer you can use any kind of cow dung or organic compost or vermicompost, or you can use some wastage of your home to grow cabbage. Wastage as vegetable leaf or uh, wastage food, and also waste tea bags are also used as compost for this types of plant which is actually leafy, and this plant need too much nitrogen to grow faster. And you don't need to use any chemical fertilizer, but by organic fertilizer you can easily do this task. And there is some pest or insect should attack on this plant. To uh, protect the plants from these types of insect or mites, you can give little bit of wood ash or you can spray uh, liquid soap water on plants, because these two things are highly protective to protect fungus or any other disease on cabbage like plant. If you want to know about the sunlight needs of cabbage plant, then it's actually complicated. If the weather is too cold in your area, then you have to need you have to provide a highly sunlighted area to grow cabbage. But in a warmer weather, you don't need to keep them on an open yard or open area where direct sunlight is available. In If the weather is hotter, or if you are living in area where summer season is too much long, then you have to plant them on a shadow area. On other hand, if you are living in area where winter is too much larger or winter period is too much high, then you can grow them on a open area or on a open space. So I think this video will help you to grow cabbage and know that how to grow cabbage or how to care them. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about these types of video or seed germination, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching the full video.